There are a lot of DSLR cameras to choose from, and not all are built alike, or for the same type of photographer. In this video, we're going to break down the best DSLR cameras on the market today. We'll be taking a look at DSLRs in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which DSLR camera is best suited to you, keep watching. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, our pick for the best entry-level DSLR camera. Choosing an entry-level DSLR camera can be tricky, especially for budding photographers. If you're searching for a balanced entry-level DSLR that takes beautiful photos and still manages to stay within your budget, the Canon EOS Rebel T7i could be your DSLR of choice, for a price under $650. The Rebel T7i features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor with a 45-point autofocus system for superb framing, plus a touch focus feature on its very nice 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen. The built-in continuous shooting mode can take 6 frames per second, which is great for quick action shots, and the camera also records 1080p video up to 60 frames per second with 5-axis image stabilization technology. Perfect for jerky handheld shooting. The aluminum alloy and polycarbonate body construction reduces overall camera weight to keep it comfortable in your hand, and its ergonomic design features intuitive placement of buttons, functions, and the display to keep things nicely organized and out of the way. The autofocus system features cross-type sensors along the horizontal and vertical planes that allow the camera to better focus on subjects even in low-light conditions. It shoots with an ISO range of 100 to 25,600 for added shot flexibility in low-light conditions, which serves to reduce grit and image noise. It also includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy connection options, plus a feature assistant that breaks down the camera functions in an easy-to-understand manner. It would have been nice to see 4K video recording as an option in today's 4K-centric marketplace, but it's a small omission from an otherwise excellent entry-level DSLR. If 4K is a must, the Canon EOS 90D is a great alternative, which we will cover next. The EOS Rebel T7i offers a fantastic touchscreen, great autofocus, excellent picture quality, and a very friendly interface that also stays within a very attractive budget range. If you're not keen on breaking the bank for a DSLR, it's a great choice that doesn't sacrifice great photo quality for the sake of price. Next, we have the Canon EOS 90D, our choice for the best DSLR camera for YouTube. If you're a content creator who posts work on YouTube, Vimeo, or other video sharing sites, then convenience is bound to be of importance. The Canon EOS 90D has a host of features that can help you create premium productions. Priced under $1,150, it's a feature-packed DSLR with strong video recording capabilities as well as great photo quality. The EOS 90D features a whopping 32.5 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor that takes absolutely stunning photographs thanks to the inclusion of a Digic 8 image processor. A 45-point all-cross autofocus system takes the guesswork out of framing a shot with correct focus even in more energetic settings. It even includes eye detection autofocus that hones in on the subject's eyes, but this feature can struggle a bit compared to some DSLRs with more refined autofocus technology. This DSLR is very focused on video recording as well. It can record uncropped 4K UHD quality video up to 30 frames per second, and full HD 1080p video up to 120 frames per second for super slow motion playback effects. With a variety of lens options at its disposal, the EOS 90D is a great videographer's tool for creating high-quality YouTube content and online media presentations. The camera is made of aluminum alloy and polycarbonate resin in the body for some added durability, and it features Canon's clean approach to button function layout that never gets in the way. The eye detection autofocus feature isn't quite as strong as some competitors, such as the Nikon D850, which we will touch on later in this video, but it's a small trade-off for a camera that takes superb photographs and excellent 4K video. Its standard autofocus technology is great for videographers who need fast subject tracking and the ability to manually change focus simply by touching the screen. Up next is the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, our pick for the best overall DSLR camera for video. If you're a professional shooter looking for a top-tier DSLR camera that takes premium quality photographs as well as excellent video, the EOS Mark IV is ready for anything you want to throw at it. It's a well-balanced camera that adds in luxury functions and features for perfectionists, both professional and hobbyist alike, with a price tag under $2,900. This camera comes with a 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which is advantageous for those who love the larger pixel count of full-frame cameras. It boasts a 61-point autofocus system with 41 cross points that serve to expand coverage and make focusing within your shot a breeze. The camera has an ISO range of 100 to 32,000 and expansion of 50 to 102,400, meaning there's very little places you can't shoot. It's more than capable even in low light conditions. It offers a continuous shooting mode of 7 frames per second with very accurate autofocus tracking and adaptive exposure to guarantee consistency in each shot. The built-in GPS offers tagging of videos and photos with satellite-based universal timecode. The EOS 5D Mark IV shoots 4K video up to 30 frames per second, which can also save individual frames from each recording to be stored as still photographs. This is a nice feature for those who may have noticed a good shot within their action sequence and want the ability to select from it. The Mark IV is quite expensive, which can put it out of reach for many photographers. For those not willing to spend so much money, the Canon EOS 90D might be a better solution, especially for casual photographers or hobbyists. However, professionals and enthusiasts will certainly love the amazing photo and video quality of the EOS 5D Mark IV, thanks in large part to an incredible set of hardware that makes it well suited for any number of shooting tasks, both great and small. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next is the Nikon D3500, our choice for the best budget DSLR camera. If budget is a main concern when choosing a DSLR camera, then you're going to want a good one. The Nikon D3500 has a lot to offer for those who want great quality photographs without having to pay a lot more money. Priced competitively under $400, it's still capable of taking very good photographs with some surprising bells and whistles you may not expect in a camera at this price. The D3500's main focus is on ease of use. Its solid body is both durable and easy to hold, while allowing for easy shoots thanks to well laid out controls. This camera includes a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor with an ISO range of 100 to 25,600 for excellent shot quality. The D3500 can take a whopping 1,550 photographs before needing a recharge, which is great for all-day shooting use without having to worry about bringing a backup. The inclusion of auto and guide modes let you take stunning photographs at high quality while also learning the camera's functions like you would during a tutorial session. The 3-inch display of the D3500 features a dot resolution of 921,000, which is both cost-efficient and versatile for framing your shots and spotting fine details. It also includes an optical viewfinder with 95% coverage range, which is very solid for an entry-level DSLR. Bluetooth connectivity allows for file transfer to your smart device via Nikon's SnapBridge technology. This can be set to auto for images to transfer immediately when you take a shot, or later so you can sift through your portfolio and select only those you want. A few things were left out to maintain its price, such as 4K video, no touchscreen and no Wi-Fi data transfer, but it's a small price to pay. In return, the Nikon D3500 offers up remarkable battery life, excellent photo quality, and a compact, easy-to-use design which is wonderful for those just starting out. Finally, we have the Nikon D850, our choice for the best DSLR camera for photography. For photographers who value excellent shot quality above all else, a top-quality DSLR camera is a must. The Nikon D850 is aimed squarely at photographers who want the best photo quality in a camera that is also intuitive and easy to use. It's definitely priced in the higher spectrum at just under $2,800, but it's an absolute warrior when it comes to capturing ultra-detailed, beautiful photos. The D850 sports an incredible 45.7 megapixel sensor to capture supreme amounts of detail and color. Its autofocus system is highly advanced, offering 153 individual focus points and 99 cross-type sensors, plus a dedicated autofocus processor to instantly track fast-moving subjects, even in low-light conditions. The D850 also features burst shooting up to 9 frames per second, which is higher than some competing models, and gives you extra flexibility to find that perfect shot in the middle of a high-speed sequence. The tilting LCD touchscreen is a nice touch for photographers who want a little more versatility for their display, especially when placed higher on a tripod. The fast, responsive screen feels like navigating a smartphone, allowing you to select between touch autofocus, touch shutter control, and menu navigation with ease. It also shoots in 4K UHD, as well as 1080p up to 120 frames per second for super slow motion playback. The Nikon D850 has only a few faults, most notably on the 4K video recording side with rolling shutter issues and no focus peaking, but these aren't overly problematic. It's definitely a pro-level DSLR that can be used on professional gigs, or merely by photographers who want the absolute best in-class photo quality. Shots are beautiful, detailed, and accurately exposed, with wonderful color accuracy thanks to an array of advanced technology built into one convenient DSLR, which is what this camera is truly built for. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.